Oh, so it's done.
Yeah.
I just gotta
that
let
was
this do it.
Yeah, no, let it finish here because it's on my Wi-Fi.
Oh, okay.
So right now, once that finishes, you'll have everything you have here over here.
Okay.
So that's good. You walk out with it.
Like an 11. The other one. You have 2 11s?
I got
Yeah. So 11, you owe 653 on it.
I can be sarcastic.
Yeah, those payments just
Get them all. Just fine.
the same way they were before. AirPods, yeah, so they can see? Yeah, like that would contact Apple. Yeah, probably have to have Apple Care on them. But for the AirPods, there's be no way because they only come with this warranty. I think the Apple Care has Apple manipulation. You would have to have the AirPods on Apple Care. You have to go there before you leave. The pros, it's going to be about the tax is going to be about 255.
Que eu usava a passagem, né?
The regular AirPods are 160 for tax. Those will be at 170. No, there's no down payment. That's what kind of AirPods are. Oh, like you want to put it on the account? Yeah, so the tax is showing you $10. You just but tax due on the bill would have to be paid. They're gonna. It would require yeah, so we would have to wait till that payment arrangement passes. But before right here, while this is red, I can't make any changes. I can't make any changes to the account. It doesn't matter if it's yeah, he said it for the 60. I literally had a customer today. You know how to work? What's that? You know how to tackle? Yeah, if you go on the website, it'll tell you right there.
I never heard that.
For the AirPods, yeah, the AirPods I can't add it to the account. Like once I ring them out and I add them to the account, it's gonna say